This isn't your everyday Dodge Charger. This is a new Drag Pak. This is a factory-built 8-second monster that's made to own the quarter mile. They're only making 50 of these. Built by Direct Connections and Riley Technologies, this 2026 Dodge Charger Drag Pak is built for one thing: winning. The price on one of these is $234,995. And for that, you're buying a purpose-built race car. No license plates, no shortcuts, just pure American power built for the strip. Under the hood is a supercharged 354 cubic inch Gen III V8 HEMI. This has a forged steel crank, diamond pistons, H-beam rods, and a 3-liter Whipple supercharger. It's the same race spec combo from the previous Drag Pak, capable of around 1,200 horsepower depending on the tune. And with a lighter chassis and about 100 pounds less than before, this car can run sub 8-second quarter miles. Let's talk about the exterior wheels and suspension. Every panel that matters is carbon fiber. Hood, door, hatch, fascia, all for speed. Up front, lightweight aluminum control arms and a race-built K-member. Out back, you have a 4-link suspension with adjustable coilovers and a Mark Williams 9-inch rear axles with 430 gearing. It's rolling on weld forged aluminum wheels, 17 by 4.5 fronts and 15 by 11 rears, and wrapped in Mickey Thompson ET drag radials. Let's talk about the interior real quick. Inside, it's all business. Full roll cage, racing seats, 5-point harnesses, window nets, and parachute out back. Every car is serialized and hand-built, and NHRA factory certified for stock showdown. And Dodge is backing it up with a $26,000 payout to the first racer who wins with it. The Drag Pak isn't a trim level. It's Dodge proving that muscle cars still have fight left. 50 made, track only, all heart. Would you race this, or would you just lock it in a vault? Let me know in the comments. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.